Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Pinterest has transformed from simple visual discovery platform into a powerful affiliate marketing engine. So more than 50% of users visit with shopping intent. They are looking for something to buy, outfits that or maybe they may like. It is basically a prime place to earn money from product recommendations. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and talk about how to earn money from Pinterest. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So, first thing first, let's talk about the Amazon storefront linking. So this is Pinterest's newest and most powerful monetization tool. Creators in the Amazon Influencer program can link their Amazon storefront directly to their Pinterest account. How it works: link your Amazon storefront to Pinterest once. When you tag eligible Amazon products on pins, your affiliate link is automatically applied. No copy pasting required. Your Amazon storefront appears on your Pinterest profile, giving followers a full view of your recommendations. So the setup is simple and eliminates the friction of manually adding affiliate links. Anyway, Amazon affiliate links, like even without the storefront linking, you can still earn through the Amazon Associate program. You can join at the Amazon Associate program. You will need at least 10 pieces of the original content and 3 qualifying sales in your first 180 days or so. You can also look for the easy product pinning. There is multiple tools you can use. And as the main idea, thank you all for watching this. See you all in the next video.